In this video, you will learn how easy it is to create an image map with online tools. The image map tool I tend to use is www.image-maps.com. It's an online image mapper, and all you need to do is paste a URL or a file in to start image mapping. So I'm going to choose my file, one called mapme.png, and I'm going to click on the Start Mapping Your Image button. Once the Continue to the Next Step button comes, click on that and you'll be given the image map toolbox. So the first thing I'm going to map is the easiest one on here, the rectangle. So I click on the rectangle icon and I'm going to drag the image map tool down and align it with my rectangle. And you do exactly what you would expect. You just move the boxes over until it fits. Then you put the page you want to link to in your link box, and then you put the title for that in the alt text. And this is a nice feature. It was added in HTML5 to be valid to have alt text for each link map. So it's a good idea to use it because then it will highlight over that and show it. But I have two more shapes on here, so I'm going to have to use a custom shape. So click on the custom shape button, and then you just put your points for your custom shape. So I'm going to map this pentagon. And I want it to go to test.html, and this is a test page. So we'll save this map, and then I'll map my arrow as well. I'm going to put my dots there. I'm going to link this one to my sword services page, and I'll save this map again. Now you can see that there are 3 maps linked to this image. But you're not quite done because you want to include a base URL, and this will be the link that people go to when they click on someplace that isn't in the map. For this map, I actually want them to not be able to click anywhere but those 3 places. Some other features that this image mapper program uses is it can show the text links or you can erase them. You can use a rollover image. You can allow a backlink and so on. And I think it's polite to allow the backlink because he did work to make this tool. So then we say get your code. And you can click on the HTML output, and you can see that there's no link when you're in the yellow area, but it becomes a link when it's over the different boxes. And then you can get your HTML code, and I'm going to grab the HTML code. I'm actually not even going to grab the div, I'm just going to grab the image in the map, and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to move to my image map HTML page. He has a big long URL for the image, but I know that my image is mapme.png, so I'm just going to post the image that it is, and the rest of it should be just fine. So I'm going to leave it, even though it looks kind of ugly. And so that's the HTML, so let's save the document, and we'll switch back to the web browser and reload. And here's my image map, and when I click on that, it's taken to my test page. If I click on the rectangle, I'm taken to my Spaniard page. If I click on the arrow, I'm taken to my Our Services page. And that's how you create an image map using an online tool.